everyone, and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. Today we're going to be making a heart kind of snowflake. Now I know last time we enjoyed doing that. We did snowflakes, we did other designs. So today we're going to be doing one that's going to be using a heart shape. So we're going to start with that same kind of folding technique that we do in origami, and then we're going to do a simple half heart and cut that out, and it's going to come out to this beautiful round heart shape. So grab some scissors and some paper, it can be any color you want, and let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn our regular sheet of paper into a square. We're going to do that by pulling this corner up to the top, make it even. Now if you have origami paper, it will already be square. We fold it up, and now we're going to cut this strip away so we have a square. And this is what you'll have to do if you're making any origami if you don't have origami paper. So now we're going to fold in half again. And then we're going to bring this corner down again into another triangle. Remember, the more perfect you do this, the better your end result will turn out. And we can open that back up, and we're going to bring this over and this one over. You want to do it about halfway, and then this one over, because you want it to be nice and even. If you go a little too far with your first one, it's okay, just refold it. And I'm struggling a little bit because this paper is thicker, but there we go. Now we're going to draw half of a heart from this crease over. So this can be as big or as small as you want. We're going to draw one. The key is that we want it to actually go off. So we're going to have an arch, let it go off, and then down here. And then we can have our interior one, which is smaller. So all this will be cut away, and this will be cut away, and this will be cut away. So we're going to snip off the bottom down here. Then we're going to take here, and we're going to round, and it's going to dip down. And now we're going to cut away our inside. And let's see what we have. Open it up, looking good so far. Here we go. We have our beautiful flower, like snowflake, great decoration for Valentine's Day coming up. So I hope you had fun making your heart snowflake just in time for Valentine's Day. You could decorate your whole house with these. You could not cut out the middle, and so they'd be whole. There's other techniques, other little design elements you could add to this fairly easily. So if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. Let me know you like this video, and subscribe so you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye, friends.